Alright, welcome to the train room. This sort of stuff here is just storage. I'm going to get rid of that and that. That's a car seat out of my car, so yeah. But this is the layout that I've got at the moment, which I bought second hand off Marketplace, but it's just something to get me up and running until I get my layout set, which will be a little while. I've got my workbench set up, all my bits and pieces and my test track. I've got this ready for when I'm working on my engines. A couple of engines there that I've got to work on shortly. I've got all my bits and pieces, some spares. I've got a light up there. I'm going to put all my engines and stuff on display up in there. I've got plenty of storage, as you can see. I've put some of the carriages and so forth down under there for the moment. I'm going to make roll out drawers, then sit all the carriages and engines and stuff in drawers and have levels. So that'll be in there and in this one as well. I've got a whole lot of stuff that I've bought recently ready. So there's a lot of box openings and so forth to be done. So what I plan to do is this is my old kitchen. So the sink itself is still there. The range hood is there, the oven is there, and the hot plates are down under there. And that's the pantry. So all of that will go, and I'll be running the trains all the way along there, round, probably out here a bit in a loop or something, all the way around and down to that side as well. The room itself is 5 meters across and 3 meters deep. So this is just the train set that I bought. As I said, it's nothing flash or fantastic. It's code 100, and it's just there to help me to get myself running. I don't know why, but when they built it, they put the 2 tracks way under there, and it's like 2 hand spaces and a bit away, so that's a lot of wasted space. I will use that tunnel. I'll take it off the board and I will use it. I don't know where yet, but I just don't see the sense in this layout because it's got a track that goes up here. It's all raised, and then you had a turntable with 2. I'll get that out of the way. Had 2 places to store and another one there, and that was it. And I'm thinking, why would you go up a hill to a storage area for your engines? It just doesn't make sense. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably change that turnout over there and face it this way, and I'll come round. I'll have one offshoot, and then I'll have a couple here with some yards or something. That's what I'll probably do for the moment. And so these are some of the engines that I've actually fixed up and got running. They came with the layout when I bought it. This one's a little track cleaner, which I will do a video on shortly about this, because my friend Dave over in Canada has made some inquiries about this one. So I'll make a video about that. That's a Thomas engine. The front bits on the front don't make it stay on, so I've got to fix that, but that's a little runner. That's an old shunter that I've got working. I've had to clean the wheels and stuff, but it works. I got 2 of those, and I've got the TGV, and I've just cleaned all the wheels and the carriages and everything on the TGV. So as you can see, I've got a bit of work ahead of me, but I think it'll be good. I've got a lot of videos. I've got more stock under there, which is mainly scenery and so forth, but there are some carriages and other stuff, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching.